Easy to learn for kids, wrote. I am unable to crop half circle. Select the semicircle. Click on the crop symbol, then use this tool to crop your image. After that, you can flip your semicircle if needed. Warning: if you flip the image and click on crop, you won't be able to modify it as much as if the image were in its original position. So if you need to make any modifications, put the image in its original position and flip it after you've made the changes. I hope this short tutorial is useful. Click on like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot.